50 millisecond turbo roaming. Until recently, the roaming solutions available for railway wireless LANs all fell into two categories, neither of which fully met the requirements of train-to-ground communication. The first approach is client-initiated roaming. Using this method, each handoff must perform authentication, reassociation, and security key exchange processes, which results in roaming times greater than 350 milliseconds. The second approach is complex controller-based roaming. In this method, the network is centrally managed and all data must pass through the central controllers. The undesirable outcome is that the costly heavy-duty controllers cause handoff times greater than 100 milliseconds. Moxa has a new third way. Moxa's rail-specific turbo roaming uses the WAC wireless access controller. The WAC centralizes only the security key exchange and not the rest of the data. During roaming, the client can bypass the re-authentication process and reduce roaming time to 50 milliseconds. Let's take a look at how turbo roaming works. Turbo roaming uses wireless access controllers to streamline the handoff process on high-speed vehicles. When roaming to a new AP, the client can be pre-authenticated by the WAC, so it does not need to re-authenticate. This reduces handoff times to 50 milliseconds. Wireless clients can now be deployed on vehicles traveling up to 120 kilometers per hour, such as light rail and metro vehicles, and still deliver stable, immediate roaming handover. Turbo roaming also supports advanced WPA, WPA2, and 802.11i network security to safeguard network operations. 50 millisecond turbo roaming is included on all AWK RTG products, including both single RF and dual RF AP bridge clients. Train-to-ground wireless networks must be able to roam very quickly in order to keep up with the speed of a train as it travels across many access points. Railway operators need a solution that can hand off between access points in under 50 milliseconds for a continuous, uninterrupted communications link.